Welcome to your first Reimagined 2020 Family Creatives how-to video, brought to you by Artcore and Wrongsemble. Meet Connie, a brilliant theatre designer and artist who will guide you through how to make your very own puppet theatre. You will need a box, a ruler or something to measure with, a pen, scissors, glue, tape. Take your box. Using a ruler, mark 2 centimetres in from each of the short edges. Draw a line to mark these. Next, we are going to cut out the centre and top sections of the box. If you're using scissors or something sharp to cut with, make sure you have an adult there to help, or you could ask them to do it for you. Start by cutting off one of the long sides of the box. Stick the top back together so it holds its shape. Now, cut along both the lines you've drawn. Fold the front down and cut along the folds to remove this. You should now have something that looks a bit like this. Tear up some strips of paper, any sort of paper will do. You'll need quite a few. Take some glue. Glue your strips of paper all over the outside of your box. This will hide anything printed on the box and make it stronger. You should now have something that looks a bit like this. Ta-da! Now you've built your very own puppet theatre, join us in the next film for how to create the set. Help decide the way the story is told. It's your story too. Let's reimagine together.